Can you believe that these logos were generated with the help of AI? Yes, you heard it right. Now many of you face a lot of issues while generating such logos, but not anymore. Because in this video, I will show you how exactly you can create similar logos using Ideogram. So without wasting any time, let's begin the video. So first, when you come to Ideogram, you just need to log in with your Gmail ID. So here you need to enter the prompts. And at the bottom, you can see explore page, following page and top. In the explore page, you can see many kind of artworks that are people generating. So we'll discuss about it later. Now we'll just go and create some amazing logos. So I have few prompts to create such logos. We'll be experimenting with that one. So here is our first prompt in which we'll be creating a logo design for a clothing brand, a monogram with the letter A and R. So all these prompts were taken from the Google bot, that is Gemini. And at the bottom, you can see many styles here. You can choose any one of these, but I won't be using the style. And at the right hand side, you can see the magic prompt and aspect ratio. To create such logos, you need to keep the magic prompt on and choose the aspect ratio here. Now we'll try generating it. So here we go. There is our logo. It looks pretty good, not bad. Now we'll try with the style. So basically we'll be going with the typography or illustration. Okay, let's go with the illustration one. So there is our logos, but it's pretty bad compared to the previous one. But you can try many other styles and choose according to you. Now here is a second prompt. Logo design for a clothing brand, a cracked skull with a vibrant pair of sunglasses perched on top, sparks flying from the cracks, and etc. So we'll be using the magic prompt here. And we'll try this and we'll try the style afterwards. Let's click on generate and see how does this work. Now that's what we were talking about. Just look at these logos. It's just mind-blowing. And if you want to change the text, just go to the prompt and here you will find the typography and you can change any name as you wish. Now we'll go with the cinematic one and let's see how does this look. That's the logos we needed. Just look at this image here. It looks so realistic. You can use any upscaler to upscale this image and use it for yourself. So here is our second prompt, a logo design for a mobile business, and that business is called Mobitech. We'll go with the normal one and click on generate. So our logo has been generated. It's such a premium designs. Just imagine using these kind of logos for your business, and you can even make a lot of money by selling these logos. To get the desired output of such logos, you just need to give the detailed prompt here. So there we have a second logo for an video editing agency. It will be in a 3D rendered with a neon color palette. So let's generate. There we have a logo. It looks pretty good here. As you can see, the default text is video editing agency. If you want to apply your own agency name, then at the end, just give a comma and write with the text and give your agency name here. So let's see how does this generate. There we have our logo. It has generated with the text. And now going with the final prompt, which is a logo design for a car company. Just give a detailed prompt just like this and then click on generate. Now there we have our logo. And the same goes for the text here also. That's some amazing logos here. The car looks realistic. You can see the detailed prompt here with the magic prompt. The magic prompt basically combines our prompt with the prompt of its own and gives us the image like this. So if you like this video, please do share, subscribe and comment down below for more such video.